You just found the 2015 Ford F-150. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated front seat, cooled front seat, wood grain interior trim, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.